Hello kids, today I will teach you shapes, basic shapes. Which shape is this? Circle. It's like a round. Round shape is called circle. Ball is like always round, which is in circle shape. You can find circle things around you. Please kids, tell me one circle thing which is around you. Yay, ball. Accurate, you are right. You can tell me more things which are circle. I'll teach you more shape in this video which will help you a lot. Let's find more shape. First shape is circle. See? K I R K L E circle. Ellipse. It is little bit different from circle. Triangle. Triangle have three corners. Triangle have three corners. One, two, three. And next shape is rectangle. Very good. You can tell me which shape is this? Rectangle. Rectangle is different from square. Rhombus. Wow, it's a beautiful shape. It's also have four corners but up and down. Next shape is pentagon. Pentagon have five corners. Excellent. Next shape is hexagon. Hexagon also have six corners. Octagon. Octagon have eight corners. Next shape is star. Star have four corners. A star is in yellow color. This color is called yellow. Next shape is heart. Heart is in red color. Very good. Next shape is cross. Cross have four sides. These are the basic shapes for kids. Please kids, repeat these all shapes with me now. Now you will tell me which shape is this. Yes, which shape is this? Circle. Very good. Which shape is this? Kids, tell me. Ellipse. Very good. Which shape is this? You will tell me which shape is this. Triangle. Very good. You are genius. You can do it. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Very good. Genius. You can do it. Excellent. Which shape is this? Square. Very good. Which shape is this? It's your turn. You have to tell me. Rhombus. Very good. Which shape is this? Pentagon. Very good, kids. Which shape is this? Hexagon, octagon, star, heart, cross.